Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to create full threads for the Threads application in 2025, including the ideas, structure and some of the real examples. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to choose what your threads will be about. It could be educational, motivational or just for fun. Then you need to pick a tone, like do you want it to be friendly, expert or casual. Now you need to launch your ChatGPT mobile application, and over here you can write the prompt. You can write something like write a 5 post thread about time management for students. Then you need to add what type of a thread it would be. So you can write it like make it easy to read with line breaks and emojis. After typing this prompt, you need to press enter on ChatGPT and it is going to give you these type of threads. So over here you can just tap on any one of these, which one you like, and after copying it from here you can just paste it on the Threads application. So let's say you are interested in this one, so you can copy it from here. Then you need to open your Threads application, tap on this plus icon here in the bottom. Over here you need to select which type of thread you want to post over here. Then tap on the post option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So now you have a complete engaging thread with the help of ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.